Tornado crossing I-55.
Right there. Got it.
Right there.
Got it.
Tornado crossing I-55.
Got it. Big wedge. Wedge tornado. Go ahead and go. Go ahead and go. Go. Go, 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 go. Watch out for power lines.
Or anything.
Yep.
Oh, I see it. It just crossed. It's over here now.
Yep.
It's on the left edge.
Holy crap.
We're going to get hit bad.
So much.
We're going to get hit by RFD really bad right now.
Yes.
It's over here on the right.
I see it.
Okay.
I got it. I got it. I see it. Big time wedge. Huge wedge.
Oh my God.
Just keep it straight.
I'm trying. Oh, you got to watch for debris too, Brad.
Yep, I know.
Semi down?
Semi, yep. Main thing I'm worried about is our trees and power lines.
Please be okay.
Where is this thing at?
He's out moving.
Where's this thing at?
I thought it was right here in front of me for a second.
Hold on just 1 second.
I know, I don't want
to drive right into it.
Yeah, I know. Wait till we get a little flash. Oh, look over here.
Is that over there?
Right. Yeah, wait for it. Right here. Right there. Yep, I got it.
Keep going. We're good. Wait, here. Roll down the window. Hey! Get in! Get inside! In here? Huh?
You want him to get in here?
Here, hop out and see if it's okay. Hey! Get in!
The fast wind.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I know.
You just survived a huge tornado.
Yeah. Big tornado.
Big time tornado.
Debris right over here.
Tornado.
Look at the tornado right here. Look at this. It's a huge wedge.
Please.
Come on, light it up. There it is, right there.
Power flash.
Right there.
I don't know what's up. There it is. That's looks like more of a stovepipe.
No, that's a wedge. Come on.
Stuff.
That is it.
That was the Bears cage, wasn't it? Was that the way?
No, that's it.
Nick, you recording?
I can see it right now. I've got it on camera.
$100 says the road shut down up here.
Watch me don't rear in these people.
Yeah, traffic's slowing.
Gone, fools. Gone. Yeah, that's it. Good Lord.
I got a whole Bears cage too, yeah.
Welcome to the service.
That's
Oh my God.
There's you a wedge. Holy crap.
Oh, that's not good. That's about to cross the interstate into population. Oh my God.
Keep going. Not the tornado, hopefully.
Nick, you're recording, right?
Yep.
Okay.
I got it too. Like a monster. Tornado right in the middle of your screen right there. It's a huge wedge tornado.
Come on, people. Come on.
Huge wedge tornado. Thunder flashers.
I told you I saw power flash.
Yeah, you were right. No, don't flash. Go under like go under hazard lights. Sorry.
Can I like go around there?
No, there's an 18-wheeler over here.
You go on the exit.
We're
Go on the exit, go
we're
back
doing,
down.
We're doing fine. Good Lord. No, it's not. So it's going northeast. We will go direct. We will go parallel with it because we're.
What's this?
No idea.
It's power line too.
Tree snapped right there. Let's see here. Wow.
Slow down, people.
That's great.
You drive, just follow them. This road goes back to where we came in. It's already passed north of us. I'm going to check to make sure on the GPS that there are no. Hold on, what is this? Keep going a little bit. Something got hit. Oh, it's just farm equipment. All right, keep going. Yeah, it hit north of the city, so they're good.
Okay.
Make sure.
God.
Go straight. Fuck it. Go straight.
No, we're good.
Oh, there it is. It's right there.